Hey, I'm going to walk you through the method to backup and restore your data using the tool inside Automatic Email Manager. This tool is available since version 9. For an older version, you have to use the manual method, view our other video. Here's the simple steps. Step 1, open the application and click on the left menu labeled Tools. Step 2, then click on the Backup and Restore button. Step 3, follow the instructions on the screen, choose the location to save the backup, for example, an USB key. Step 4, on your new computer, install the demo version of Automatic Email Manager. If it is not installed, then go in the Tools section and click on Backup and Restore button. Step 5, click on Restore button, select your backup file, and that's it. When done, a message is displayed, check your data are here. That's it, hope this helps.